Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to configure DHCP in Cisco router, and also I'll explain how to exclude the IP address. For this we require one router, and we delete this, and one switch and n devices, computer 1, computer 2 and computer 3. I'll connect this thing. I'll connect the PC to switch and switch to router. I'll connect straight through cable from PC to switch. Right now I connected from switch to PC. I'll connect crosswalk cable for switch to router. Please note that fast internet 0/0 we are connecting through fast internet 0/0 in the router. Now I'll show you how to configure the router for DHCP. Double click the router and go to command prompt, then type enable, and go to configuration, then type conf-t. I'll be in the configuration now. So first thing, we have to add the IP address for the fast internet 0/0. So I'll go for that interface, fast ethernet 0/0. I'll add the IP address for this port, IP add 192.168.1.1, then subnet mask 255.255.255.0. After this I'll type command for enable this port. For that, no shutdown. If I type this command, the port will be up. So you can notice here the status of this port is up now. So you can view here. Now I'll come back now. So now we have to create a DHCP pool. So for that, the command is IP DHCP pool. For example, you can give any name for this. So I'll give that name called Ganesh for testing. You can give any name here, Ganesh, and I'll specify the network here, 192.168.1.0. .255.255.0. The subnet box we have to specify here. Then the gateway, that is called default route. Type default route. We will give the router IP in the default route, 192.168.1.1. Then DNS, we'll provide the DNS server IP here. That is, I'll provide universal DNS server IP here, 8.8.8.8. Now that's it. Once all the configuration is done, just make sure to copy this into running configuration to starter configuration. For that, we have to save this settings. So I'm going to type this write memory, this is done. is done. Now we will check in the client systems. Double click the client, click on desktop, then IP configuration, select as a DHCP here. Here it will send, see, for example, automatically the IP address has been enabled and successfully IP address has been added here. I think you are able to see here, and I'll check in all the clients as well. Successfully got it here, and also here I will check. Successfully got it. So now I'll try to ping from PC to router, ping 192.168.1.1. See, here I'm able to easily ping, and I'll check connectivity between PC to PC. See, it's coming here. Now DHCP has been configured. So for that, we have an exclusion in the sense, for example, in our network we have server. In future we can have a number of server. For time being, I'll make 10 IP address, 192.168.1.1 to 10 IP address I'm planning to exclude. For that, I'll install servers here. We can type as AD server. This antivirus server. Now I need to exclude this IP address. So again I will go to router page, then conft. Here for the command is IP DHCP exclude. I need to type the range here. For example, 192.168.1.1 from 2. I need to type now to 192.168.1.10. I'll exclude 192.168.1.1 from 1.1 to 1.10. For example, 10 IPs I'm excluding. This exclusion works like, see, we are telling that for DHCP server, please don't assign this IP address to the clients, so that we can use this IP address for the server internal purpose. I'll run this command, and again we are going to save this settings. For that, write memory. Once this done, we'll go and recheck this IP. Simply click and DHCP. See, successfully. Now see, 192.168.1.10, 1.11 it's showing here. So till 10 it was assigned to, it is excluded. See, now the 12. Now it's 13, so that we can use this IP address for the server. For example, I'll use the static IP address. We have to give static IP address for the server 1.2. I'll use 2 IP address for the server, and default gateway.1.1, and it was DNS. We can specify Google DNS. Sorry, 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.1 gateway DNS. Once this is done, I'll connect this from straight through cable. Now we will check the connectivity from PC to router, and PC to PC, and PC to server. Ping 192.168.1.1. Now we are getting a reply. Again 192.168.1. We are given server IP 1.2. We can check here. See, it starts getting reply. I'm giving PC to PC, that is called 11. See, we are getting now. See, in this video we learned that how to configure DHCP server and how to exclude the IP address range for server or any internal purpose. Thanks for watching.